Hello friends! Today we will learn about simple machines. Jenny wants to buy some fruits. But how would she carry them all? Yes, she can use a pushcart. Wow! Jenny used a machine to push the heavy load easily. Machines are the devices or tools that help us to do a great deal of work with less effort. Machines can be very complicated, but they are all based on simple machines devised by humans. Simple machines are the ones that have no or very few movable parts and yet make our work easier. There are 6 types of simple machines that we are going to discuss today. A lever, wheel and axle, pulley, inclined plane, wedge, and screw. Let's discuss the lever first. A lever is made up of a bar or board that pivots on a support. The support is called the fulcrum. So, a fulcrum is the fixed part of the lever over which the bar balances. When we push down one side of the lever, the other side goes up, just like we observe in a seesaw. What if Tim wants to lift Tom in the seesaw? Tim needs to sit furthest from the fulcrum, and Tom needs to sit nearest to the fulcrum. Let's understand it with another example. As we can see, the closer the fulcrum to the load, the lesser the effort needed to lift it. Hence, a lever can help us produce a bigger force with less effort. Types of levers. Based on the position of the fulcrum, load, and effort, the levers are divided into 3 types. Class 1 levers, Class 2 levers, and Class 3 levers. Class 1 levers. In these types of levers, the fulcrum is located between the effort and the load. Like a weighing balance, moving heavy load with a long stick, a pair of scissors, and a seesaw. In Class 2 levers, the load is located between the effort and the fulcrum. Like a loaded pushcart, a nutcracker, a nail clipper, and a lid opener. Class 3 levers. In these types of levers, the effort is applied between the load and the fulcrum. For example, a pair of tongs, a fishing rod, shovels, and brooms. The next type of simple machine is the wheel and axle. The wheel is the circle and the axle is the rod that goes through the center of the wheel to help it move and stay in place. Together, they make a simple machine that helps us to multiply force, like when opening a doorknob, and move objects easily, like riding on a bike. Next is pulley. A pulley consists of an axle and a wheel with a grooved strap. A rope is looped around the groove of the wheel and is pulled downwards to lift heavy objects. Pulling the loose end of the rope downwards is much easier than lifting the load upwards. Hence, pulleys make our work easier by changing the direction of force required to lift an object. There are two types of pulleys: fixed pulleys and movable pulleys. In fixed pulleys, the pulley is fixed at a spot and the load is moved by pulling the rope. Like moving the window blinds up and down. In movable pulleys, however, the pulley moves along with the load while the end of the rope is fixed at a spot. Like moving over a zip line. The next simple machine is an inclined plane. An inclined plane is a slope or ramp with a flat surface. It helps us to move or slide the heavy loads up or down. Moving the objects using an inclined plane is easier than lifting them straight up. Wedge. A wedge is a simple machine that looks like two inclined planes joined together. The thinner end, or the sharp edge of the wedge, is used to split objects. When the force is applied downwards, the wedge of an axe spreads it sideways and helps in splitting the wood. The next one is a screw. A screw is an inclined plane coiled around a cylinder. It holds things together to a greater depth and with a stronger grip. the force applied by the screw is always greater than the force applied to the screw. There are many examples of screws in everyday life, like caps or lids of bottles, and the ends of bulbs. So if you use any of the following objects, understand you are using simple machines. Thanks for watching and learning with me. For more learning videos, please subscribe to our channel and keep loving us by clicking the like button.